Let's try this right here. Cub cow. Yeah. Cub cow. Nice in here. Empty right now. It's Friday afternoon. 3 p.m. Wait. Yeah. 2:53 p.m. So I'm trying the crab fried rice with shrimp in it. So here's the food. It's been about 4 hours, so it's on my GoPro. Been about 4 hours, but I'm gonna warm it up soon. Look at the movie. So here it is. I'm probably gonna get a piece of chicken. I don't know what I was expecting. It's like 3 pieces of shrimp. Then I guess the crab is in there. I guess it's in there, but I'm gonna get a piece of chicken, leftover chicken, to add to it. And I have broccoli. So let me add some chicken to it. Get the chicken warmed up. But this is it. Alright, so let me get a taste. Have my chicken over here. I'm going to put on top leftover chicken. I'm watching a movie with I think her name is Gina Rodriguez. This Players movie on Netflix I'm watching. Get a little taste of the rice here. I do see, I think that's crab. I guess I expected more bigger pieces of the crab. Like here, this looks like crab here. That's not egg, I think that's crab. It's different, it's tasty. I got a little piece of shrimp. It's still hot, I just took it out of the oven. I may be cooking shrimp Sunday. I'm gonna make some shrimp Alfredo. It's good. Give it like a, what, 7 or 8 out of 10 maybe. I think I taste the crab a little, but I can't tell. I guess I expected bigger pieces of crab. That's the only thing about this. In terms of like the size and the meat that they give, and turning out this is a mixture of like crab meat and then shrimp. There's only 3 pieces of shrimp. There's no other shrimp anywhere else. So in terms of like, it's a lot of rice, but in terms of like the size of like the quantity, you know, of the meat that they give you, I mean, I gotta give that like a 3 or 4 out of 10. The taste itself is maybe a 7 or 8 out of 10. And that's pretty much my quick review on it. I just wanted to check it out in their restaurant. I haven't eaten Thai food since 2010, 2011. Terrible years back then, but I haven't eaten any since, like, really since back then. So I usually eat, if I do go out and eat some Asian food, it'll usually be Japanese food. Shrimp fried rice. Anyway, that's it for this. Let me get back to the movie. I'm eating my food. Yeah, I mean, the taste itself so far. Again, I didn't put soy sauce. I do have some less sodium Kikkoman soy sauce down there. I'm tempted, but I'm going to stay away from it. It's probably better with soy sauce. I'm just going to eat like this for now. But yeah, so that's a taste. 7 or 8 out of 10 without soy. The soy sauce would definitely make it taste a little better if I added some. And like I said, overall presentation of it, I mean, this is a to-go takeout box. And like the quantity that they give the customer, again, that's like 4, maybe 3 out of 10 on that. That's all I have for this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you.